Good evening. It's rather late today, 8:45, Friday, 4th of April 2020, and I'm having a fruit salad for dinner, a 4-fruit salad. I have 2 yellow fruit, honeydew melon, as well as yellow watermelon, and red pitaya down there, and some yellow orange papaya. And today I've just got my chaat masala. I decided not to put any ground chia seeds or flax seeds or sunflower kernels because I think it wouldn't go with the yellow watermelon. I may be wrong, but I'm going to have it just the way it is for today. Verdict time. Wow, that was awesome. And chaat masala together with the yellow watermelon is especially wonderful. I also forgot to mention I squeezed the juice of half a lemon onto my salad before sprinkling on the chaat masala. Okay, so that's it for today. Saturday, 4th of April 2020. See you tomorrow. Bye.